Aloha! We are here at Rainbow Reef Rentals here at Disney's Aulani. We are going to do fish feeding today. It does cost $7 per person. You can do a room charge. You can also get pool towels here. You can also get your daily wristband. And here we go. Let's do this. Here at the Rainbow Reef Rental, they do say that the hours are from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., but they actually open at 8 a.m. And if you are wanting to do fish feedings, which are $7 per person, I would get here no later than 8 a.m., which is when they open. The last couple of days we've been here at around 7:45. We've been one of the first 2 or 3. We've been able to get the 12:30 today. The first day we got the 9:30. So again, get here early and you can sign up for the fish feedings. It's just a day of sign up and it does cost $7 per person and you can do a room charge. Here's some of the other things you can do here at the Rainbow Reef.
The most important one is we're not going to be sticking our hands in the water or touching the fish while we're feeding. It does hurt them to touch them. It can make them really sick. And some of them also do have spines, so we just don't want them to get too excited while feeding and accidentally nibble on you. And for the same reason, we're not going to be throwing past the buoy line or the rope. We want to keep our snorkelers safe as well. And yeah, you have all the way to the orange basket to spread out.
Do you want to sit down there or do you want to sit down here? I mean, they're all right here, so I guess this is good.
Yeah, they'll follow you though. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Any seafood allergies?
No.
Perfect. There you go, bud.
Remember what we said, just 2 or 3 at a time.
Yep, you can give them a little pinch at a time. You only get one cup.
Sit here, do you want to sit down there?
Well, get your cup.
There you go.
Miles, where do you want to sit?
Awesome. Thank you. Yep. Not yet.
Your favorite? I
I
like the
think
big
that's
blue one.
yeah.
Oh no, you did drop a lot of it.
You like the new one
help?
too? These are the biggest fish we have in Rainbow Reef. Those are our koalas.
Here, do you need help picking up your fish?
Oh, I love sturgeon fishes with the little that thing on their tail.
Yeah. Yep, they got that little spine.
Whoa, take it easy, buddy. Whoa, a sardine. Whoa, did you see him?
Sometimes you can tell that some of their lines are darker, and sometimes all of their whole bodies get darker when they're either aggravated or they're spawning. So that happens from time to time as well.
Randy, you still have some?
Yeah.
Miles is on.
Oh my god. They had some.
He used mine too.
Bring your cup over here. Bring your cup closer. Hey, feed them.
That spot is very hot.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, I prefer the straw. They should drink it more.
Where did you get that from?
Oh, really? I'm in Wailua. I'm right by the high school.
Tammy, we're gonna go to the pool. It's freezing cold. Can I have some?
Yeah.
About 2 years. I moved here from Virginia and I lived
Okay.
I really like it. It's more quiet.